Happy Mother's Day! Thank you for tuning in to Savannah in the Kitchen and joining us as Savannah learns how to cook delicious, quick, and easy meals.
Welcome back to Savannah in the Kitchen. Hi, I'm Savannah.
I'm Uncle Jamie. If this is your first time here, welcome. We hope you enjoy.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another one of our videos. Hey Uncle, what's on the menu today?
Today we are making a Mother's Day treat. Granny's Apple Fritters.
Yum.
Oh, they're delicious. Stay tuned. Watch how we do this one. Okay, Savannah, we need to mix up 2 cups pancake mix.
Okay.
So I've already measured out our pancake mix. I'm going to start adding the water, and you can start mixing it up.
All right.
All right, here we go. Let me finish adding some more water.
Okay.
All right, mix that up. Make sure you scrape off the sides.
Okay.
Get all that batter down in there. Well, that's looking pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Savannah, sprayed your griddle and it is preheated to 325.
Okay.
Start ladling out your pancake batter. That looks good.
Mm-hmm. Because I'm making it.
Oh, absolutely. All right, now go ahead and add your apples. A teaspoon will do.
You hold up?
Sure. There you go.
Griddle is hot.
Grill's hot. Pancake batter's getting heavy, you know.
Mm-hmm. You can put it down if you want. It was just in my way. As we know, I'm the star.
There you go. All right, now let them cook. Temperature's 325. They start bubbling. We'll flip them.
All right.
Oh, they look good, Savannah.
Yeah, they do, except it's running away.
It is running away from you. You better catch it. That one's going to end up on the counter.
Yes, it is. I can't
I
get
know.
it.
Oh boy, they look good.
I guess this griddle doesn't like me.
I don't think it does. Oh, they look good.
I got it.
All right. Let them cook on the other side, and we'll take them off.
All right.
They look pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
A little small. Who's making them for you?
Yeah.
Definitely not me. Looks like you eat all 4. All right.
No.
No?
No.
All right, we get a share. Okay.
No, I get all of them.
You get all of them.
You get none.
Oh, I was getting ready to tell them we'll be right back. No? Savannah, they look good. Ready to take them off?
Yes.
All right, let me hold your plate.
Sorry.
That's okay.
What is it? You touched that one, now it's yours.
Yeah, actually I touched them all. Wow, they look great.
Yes, they do.
There you have it, Savannah. My grandmother's apple fritters.
They look delicious.
I'll add a little bit of caramel sauce,
Okay.
and we'll get to eat.
Yes.
All right. Oh, that looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Now, remember, you can top these with powdered sugar, but who doesn't like caramel sauce? Well, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.
See you next week.